In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register an account on Booking.com. Setting up an account is quick, easy, and can open the door to a world of travel possibilities, exclusive deals, and much more. So, whether you're planning your next holiday escape or simply exploring options, having an account can be quite handy. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Booking.com website on your favorite web browser. It's a pretty straightforward site designed to facilitate all your travel booking needs from hotel reservations to car rentals. On the homepage, you'll notice a register button prominently displayed. Clicking this button will initiate the account creation process and will guide you to the registration page. Once you're there, you'll see several options to choose from for creating your account. You can opt to enter your email address manually if you prefer to keep things simple. For those who like the convenience of social media or single sign-on methods, Booking.com offers you the choice to connect directly through Gmail, Apple, or Facebook. This integration is quite user-friendly, allowing you to set up your account with just a few clicks while syncing with your existing accounts. Whether you enter your email manually or connect via these platforms, each method ensures a secure and efficient registration. If you choose to enter your email address manually, you'll need to type it into the designated field. Be sure to double-check for any typos, as an incorrect email address could lead to issues with getting important notifications or booking confirmations. After you've entered your email, click Continue. For those connecting through Gmail, Apple, or Facebook, you'll simply follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Booking.com and your chosen platform. This process is straightforward, and clear instructions will guide you through each step. Just follow the on-screen directions. Regardless of the method you select, once you've entered the necessary information, follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear on your screen. These steps might include verifying your email address or additional security checks, which are crucial for safeguarding your personal information. Keep an eye on your inbox or notification center during this time, as you might receive an email or alert confirming your registration and providing any additional next steps to complete the setup of your new account. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now registered an account on Booking.com. You'll be able to access a wide range of features available to registered users, such as saving your payment details for quicker checkouts, accessing special deals, and managing your bookings all in one place. So go ahead, explore, and let your travel plans take flight. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide to be helpful and easy to follow. Happy traveling!